This is 0, and he has a wild idea for an experiment. In this experiment, we may have gone too far. We may have crossed the boundaries of the natural world. Now there is no turning back. Like children, we explored how different colored pencils interact with various colored lights. We began the experiment by creating a double layer drawing, where one layer was made with blue pencil and the other with red pencil. We had no idea what kind of chaos this would unleash. When we shine a red light on the drawing, the blue layer becomes visible while the red layer remains hidden. Conversely, when we use a blue light, the blue layer disappears and the red layer is now visible. This experiment was a success. We crossed over from the natural world, and it's too late to turn back now. We have pierced the veil. We are excited to try using other colors to see how they perform under different lighting conditions. It's a fascinating way to combine art and science. If you like this video, you know what to do.